Hey, dream chasers, picture this. Your phone buzzes with PayPal alerts, cash rolling in while you're sipping coffee or exploring new cities. Sounds like a dream? It's not. It's affiliate marketing. Today, I'm revealing how you can turn clicks into cash, even if you're starting from scratch. Stay with me, and I'll break down the exact steps to build your own money making machine. Let's dive in. Welcome to your channel name, where we transform dreams into dollars. Affiliate marketing is the ultimate way to earn a living without creating products or handling customer complaints. It's how regular folks like us are building wealth online. Let's get into the 6 steps to make money with affiliate marketing. First, let's talk about what affiliate marketing is. You promote products, and when someone buys through your unique link, you get paid a commission. It's like being a digital connector, linking people to products they need and earning money for it. No degree, no big budget, just you and your hustle. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and high ticket programs offer commissions from $5 to thousands per sale. The affiliate marketing industry is booming, worth over $17 billion in 2025. That's a massive opportunity, and you're about to grab your share. Step 1, choose your niche. This is where the magic starts. Pick a topic you're passionate about: health, wealth, relationships. These are evergreen niches people never stop searching for. Love yoga? Promote fitness gear? Into budgeting? Share financial tools? Use Google Trends to check if your niche has staying power. A focused niche keeps you excited and attracts the right audience. Step 2, build your platform. You need a place to share your affiliate links: a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Start small, but stay consistent. A blog with SEO optimized posts can drive traffic for years. A YouTube channel builds trust through videos like this one. Share valuable content, tips, reviews, or stories that makes people trust you. Authenticity sells, so be real and post regularly to grow. Step 3, find affiliate programs. Time to get paid. Sign up for programs that match your niche. Amazon Associates is beginner friendly with up to 10% commissions. ClickBank offers digital products with 50 to 75% payouts. High ticket programs like software or coaching can earn you hundreds per sale. Check networks like Share a Sale or CJ Affiliate. Pay attention to cookie durations. Some track sales for 24 hours, others for 30 days. Pick programs that maximize your earnings. Step 4, drive traffic and convert. Traffic is your lifeline. Use SEO to rank blog posts on Google, create engaging social media content, or build an email list to nurture leads. The key? Solve problems. A post like Top Budgeting Tools for 2025 with your affiliate links can earn passively. Add strong call to actions like click to check it out to boost clicks. Use tools like Bitly to track performance, then test and tweak your strategy. Step 5, scale smart. Once the money's flowing, level up. Try paid ads on Google or Facebook to reach more people. Build an email list for repeat sales. Outsource content creation to save time. The top 8-figure gurus automate and delegate to focus on strategy. Reinvest your profits and your income will grow exponentially. That's the blueprint to make money with affiliate marketing. It's your path to financial freedom, but you've got to take action. Pick your niche, build your platform, and promote products you believe in. Want the secret system the top gurus use? Click the link in the description for the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0, your key to online success. If this video fired you up, hit that like button, subscribe to your channel name, and share it with your crew. Check out our other videos for more wealth building tips, and let's build your empire together. Thanks for watching, hustlers. Drop your niche idea in the comments. I can't wait to hear it. See you in the next video.